Hello, everyone. I hope you all had a great spring break. We are back, and this is week 10, starting Monday, March 18th to Monday, March 25th. So let's take a look at what we had going on the previous week. I did not post a video for week 9. I ended up describing and walking through some of these assignments in the week 8 video that I posted. So Friday, March 8th, you needed to submit the research assignment as well as your supplemental learning requirement, which was the second one. And then you had spring break from Monday, March 11th through last week. So moving to week 10, nothing due last Friday either. And this week we have Module 7, Annotations and Notes due today, which is Monday, March 18th. So there are a total of 16 different articles. But remember, oftentimes, especially these Why It Matters and introductory ones are pretty short and not a whole lot of content for you to get through. Optional this week for Monday is for you to submit an outline for essay 1. So you can earn up to 5 extra credit points for this assignment. You don't have to complete an outline, but if you would like to and get those 5 extra credit points, you can. Just please make sure you have already thoroughly read the assignment page for essay 1, our cause and effect essay here, and or watched the video in which I explained the essay, as well as completed the topic proposal. So you should have completed this. The writing process, module 6, those articles are really important for you to read and complete as well before you do this. I do have a document here, a basic outline for an academic paper. We can open that up real quick and show you, which is also here. But this just gives you a very general structure for an academic paper and just things that you should be including and kind of the order, organization, and important points. So you can follow this outline as you create your outline. I also have a template here that you can use. This is in a doc format. You could copy and paste or upload this to Google Docs if that's what you use, but just very basic outline template for you to use if you would like. Okay. So I do need to add in this Friday's work here as well. But for week 11, we have the rough draft of essay 1. I'm getting mixed up with all these 2s right here. The rough draft of essay 1 is due this Friday, March 22nd. So your rough draft should be 1.5 to 2 full pages minimum. It should include a properly formatted works cited page, and you need to submit below. Make sure that your similarity report is 20% or below. I apologize, there's not, just shows everyone's name here, but you'll see that there's a similarity report. When you click on your document, you can see what text Turnitin is highlighting as the same as what is in your paper. And it's okay to have some similarity because if you are using quotes from your sources, those should be highlighted. But we want to make sure that at least 80%, so the 20% can be source material, but at least 80% of your essays need to be in your own words, your own thoughts, your own arguments. So if you are above that 20% threshold, then you need to take a look at how much outside source material you are using and how you are using it. So rather than, for example, using direct quotes, you can summarize or paraphrase those sources instead. All right. The next thing we have this week is the peer review. So this is for essay one. So your rough draft, you are going to upload here. And then you are going to claim a classmate's draft. So you just post below a classmate's essay. There's a couple people who've already done this. So for example, King Ling has uploaded her essay. Abir has said, I'd like to review your essay. She completed the peer review, which is here, this peer review document. So you're going to open this up. You can download this. You can type on it, or you can print it out and write. You're going to answer these questions about your partner's essay. And then, oh, let's see, it took me all the way back. Then you are going to also read and annotate your partner's essay. So you're going to complete that peer review document, and then you're going to read and annotate your partner's essay. Again, you can do that digitally, or you can print it out and do that by hand. And then you are going to upload both this document, the peer review document that you have completed, and their annotated essay with your feedback, your notes. Could be in one document or two separate documents, but you need to upload those here, just like Abir did in this example, and then King did for her. So I hope that makes sense. It's just you're reviewing just one other person's. If we have an odd number and everyone's essays have been claimed and you can't find someone whose essay has not been claimed, then I would allow for you to review someone's essay who has already had a review on it. But you should be looking for someone who has not had their essay reviewed yet, so that everyone gets a chance to get feedback from a classmate. Okay, so your post there, basically you're just posting your rough draft in the discussion, the essay one peer review discussion, with a little bit of information about what your topic is. And then your reply is due by next Monday, which is March 25th. Okay, and then week 12, we have the final draft of the cause and effect essay, essay one due by Friday, March 29th. And then we're going to go right into the essay two, which is the argumentative research paper. And that the assignment for Monday is just to read this page, the assignment page. There's also a video here that is explaining that. So that is what we've got going on the next couple of weeks. I didn't give you a heavy load this week because I wanted you just to focus on the essay and making it the best that it possibly can be. Don't forget that you have an option for tutoring. You can earn extra credit if you seek out tutoring through the Chafee Success Center or this NetTutor online tutoring. So I think that that is a really great idea. Not only are you getting extra credit, but you're also getting another set of eyes on your paper. Peer reviews are great, but sometimes classmates don't know what's right or what's wrong. You're all still learning, which is fine, but it's good to get a tutor's opinion because they are trained to give feedback on essays, on writing, so they might be able to notice things and give a little bit more structured feedback with regard to I don't know, more specific things like grammar and sentence structure and organization, transitions. You can ask questions about how to properly cite with MLA formatting if you're having trouble there. So great resource to use. And this NetTutor online tutoring option is awesome because you can just upload your essay there. You could just upload your rough draft there, or as maybe you get the feedback from your classmates through the peer review discussion, and then you take what they've said to you, maybe edit your essay a little bit, and then you submit it to a tutor and have another set of eyes to go over your paper. So yes, that is pretty much it. Oh, I'm sorry. It's a different class here. So that's pretty much it. That's what we've got going on this week. And let me know if you have any questions, concerns. I am working on grading some things. I apologize, a lot of you, I have not graded the narration yet. They've changed all of the ways that we grade things through Turnitin now, and it's really been a hassle for me to grade things on Turnitin, and then it's also not updating the grades in Canvas, and so I'm still working through all that. So I appreciate your patience. I am prioritizing those today and the next couple days. So I appreciate your understanding. Please let me know, reach out to me, send me a message or an email if you're having any trouble, if you have any questions, if you need help, if you need more time for an assignment, please don't hesitate to reach out to me. All right, I think that's it for today, and I will talk to you all soon. Bye-bye.